is WCIA 3 News at 10.
For many folks out in Mahomet, their water is still contaminated.
We showed you this shocking video of water on fire months ago. Now some of the families dealing with it are fighting back. Good evening, I'm Aaron Bennett.
And I'm Jessica Coons. A lawsuit was filed against People's Gas today in Champaign County. We first told you about the natural gas leak last year. It happened north of Mahomet. 5 wells were originally contaminated, but dozens more had to be tested after that. WCIA 3's Ty Bateman with us now. Ty, now that there's this official complaint, what is People's Gas saying about this?
Jessica, when I reached out to them today, they weren't aware of the lawsuit until I told them, or at least that it was filed. Now they're facing 52 counts in a lawsuit that alleges the company has been contaminating the Mahomet aquifer for years.
It's 17 plaintiffs who reside in 6 different houses serviced by 5 water wells.
Those plaintiffs include 3 children, ages 13, 11, and 3 years old, along with the firefighter and 2 seniors.
Our clients would love to get their water back to the way it was before it was being contaminated, but that's just not going to happen.
The complaint seeks damages for loss of quality of life, health exposure, property damage, punitive damages, and much more. This isn't the first lawsuit People's Gas has seen. The Attorney General also sued them last year, but the gas leak dates back to 2016. This is the site that is believed to be the start of the gas leak, but it wasn't above ground that was a problem. It was underground that became an issue for these families who now live on bottled water as their new normal.
Her 4-year-old daughter was going to a sleepover, and she checked what she had packed, and she had packed 2 bottles of water. She said, "Why are you packing 2 bottles of water?" She said, "Well, I want to brush my teeth while I'm there." And she had to say, "No, this is not something that you have to do at somebody else's house."
People's Gas could only say so much when asked for a comment. They said, quote, "We cannot provide any substantive comments about the lawsuit because we have not seen the complaint. What we can say is that the Illinois Department of Health has confirmed that the levels of methane we have detected in private wells do not pose a health concern. The water is safe for drinking and everyday use, such as bathing and cooking. We are also offering bottled water and methane detection to affected homeowners," end quote. This isn't the end. Spiros Law has another lawsuit they plan to file with other people dealing with the same issues. And we have more information about this lawsuit. So to keep up with everything that's been happening over the last 8 months, visit our website, illinoishomepage.net.
All right, Ty, thank you so much. Now, after we told you about the possible lawsuit back in October, Attorney General Lisa Madigan filed an injunction against People's Gas. Her complaint stated that the leak was discovered when a People's Gas employee noticed bubbles in puddles above an access well. The company reported to the state that the leak had reached the aquifer plus those 5 wells.